9-10 technology subject offerings for 2021 include So What, Digital Technologies, Wood Technology, Metal Technology, Food Studies, and Cafe Skills. During the subject So What, students will develop an understanding of material, fabric, and fibres through an exploration of a variety of fibres, fabrics, and techniques. They will be encouraged to design creatively and produce a range of fashion items for both themselves and others. Students will extend their technical skill and learn new processes in the world of fashion design and manufacture. This subject leads into VCE Product Design and Technology with a focus on the material fabric. Jobs in this field include fashion designer, milliner, retail buyer, or sewing machinist. During the subject Digital Technologies, students will develop an understanding of digital technologies used in emerging careers. Students will create digital animations and presentations to create web pages. They will learn the fundamentals of computer programming to control robotic devices and simulations. Students will also create simple 2D computer games and learn skills in 3D printing, laser cutting, etching, and vinyl cutting. This subject leads into VCE, Information Technology, Computing, and Informatics. Jobs in this field include web designer, database administrator, and IT support technicians. During the subject Wood Technology, students will solve design-related problems whilst developing safe and competent use of power tools. Students investigate a variety of design options and construction processes associated with the construction of a practical project. Students also complete research looking into properties of timber and specific timber species. This subject leads into VCE Product Design and Technology with a focus on the material wood. Jobs in this field include carpenters and cabinet makers. During the subject Metal Technology, students will develop an understanding of metal through an exploration of a variety of materials and techniques. Students will be encouraged to explore creative design options, production and evaluation techniques. Students will learn fabrication and joining techniques and how to safely operate metalwork equipment. This subject leads into VCE Product Design and Technology with a focus on the material metal. Jobs in this field include mechanical engineer, panel beater, boiler maker, and fitters. During the subject Food Studies, students will examine the nutritional content of a variety of foods by using the Australian Guide to Healthy Eating to assist in developing and reinforcing good nutritional practices. They will prepare and evaluate a variety of meals that develop a range of skills and techniques that are commonly used in the food industry. Students will also follow the design process to create a meal that meets all aspects of this process. This subject leads into VCE Food Studies. Jobs in this field include dietitians, caterers, chefs, and cooks. During the subject Cafe Skills, students will focus their learning on skills needed in the hospitality industry, ranging from OH&S, barista training, food service and preparation of cafe-style on-trend foods. This will lead to students developing skills that will transfer into the hospitality industry and future employment. This subject leads into VCE Food Studies. Jobs in this field include baristas, chefs, cooks, and front and back of house staff. If you have any questions about any of the subjects on offer, please speak to any of the NSC Technology staff or refer to the NSC course handbook for more information.